You can now create AI avatar video in clicks within seconds.
Transform your imagination into reality.
Hello and welcome to the training modules for the NorCal Rewards application.
Bring your ideas to life with VidAvatar AI.
In the synagogue there was a man possessed by a demon, an evil spirit.
Summer, December to February, this is peak travel season.
Standing vigil to protect the country from the onslaught of storms and devastation.
Your story, your style. VidAvatar AI brings it all to life with
VidAvatar AI. Redefining storytelling.
Mit Anfang 20 ist Marcel Eris an seinem absoluten Tiefpunkt.
World's first AI app creates AI avatar videos. Ultra-realistics like digital with dynamic facial expressions and emotions in any language. In less than 60 seconds. One-time payment, no recurring costing. Let's see some results.
Hello and welcome to the training modules for the NorCal Rewards application. There are 10 videos in this training module. Each video will walk you through the process of setting up your rewards program. If you have any problems with your setup, we are always ready to help.
Summer, December to February, this is peak travel season, characterized by warm temperatures and numerous festivals, including Festivale and Monafoma. Average temperatures range around 21 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a pleasant time for outdoor activities. However, it can also be crowded due to tourists.
In the synagogue there was a man possessed by a demon, an evil spirit. He cried out at the top of his voice, 34. Ha! What do you want with us, Jesus of Nazareth? Have you come to destroy us? I know who you are, the Holy One of God. 35. Be quiet, Jesus said sternly. Come out of him. Then the demon threw the man down before them all and came out without injuring him. 36. All the people were amazed and said to each other, What is this teaching? With authority and power he gives orders to evil spirits and they come out.
Standing vigil to protect the country from the onslaught of storms and devastation along the coast. On the southwest of Bangladesh lies the Sundarbans and on the southeast is a wall of forests and hills. But the coast of Noakhali that stretches between the two, lies unprotected and the large population of this area remain vulnerable to the vagaries of the sea.
Transform your imagination into reality with VidAvatar AI's dynamic avatars. Our technology empowers you to create engaging, lifelike characters effortlessly.
Let's log in straightly to dashboard. You will find necessary links in description. You will see all required menu in left side. Click on Create New Video button to make your first AI avatar video. Select any character you want. You also able to upload any character if you want. Then select avatar style, then select alignment you want, then select language you prefer, and then select any voice you like. Select or add any background as per your wish. Then in the script text box, input any text you want your avatar to speak. Finally, set emotional markup enabled and click on Generate Video button. Make your avatar live within 60 seconds. See this result.
Digital marketing is the component of marketing that uses the internet and online-based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services.
This is outstanding generation. You will find the link in description. You will see all other necessary options are on left menu. This is world's first AI-driven, drag-and-drop AI 3D avatar builder app. Have huge features including create, customize and share ultra-realistic 3D AI avatar videos in any language and niche you want. Generate professional voiceovers with text-to-speech, convert scripts into studio-quality voiceovers in 80+ languages. These lifelike AI avatars comes with dynamic facial expressions and emotions. Automatically create and publish on big platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and more. Instantly add and edit any skin tone, nationality, languages to AI avatar videos. Choose from our 100+ stunning AI male and female AI models. Craft mind-blowing AI avatar videos using our done-for-you 1000+ stunning video templates. Craft limitless AI content like AI images, backgrounds, audio, music and more with built-in AI stock library. Embed AI avatar videos to your websites, funnels and blogs to skyrocket your traffic and sales. Create and sell unlimited AI avatar videos with commercial license. Social media share, blast your AI avatar videos to all your social media platforms. Collect unlimited buyer leads with done-for-you stunning avatar video opt-in templates. Embed your affiliate links to AI avatar videos and drive free targeted traffic and sales. Say goodbye to the hassle of creating AI avatar videos on your own. Fire expensive video designers, voiceovers, script writers and freelancers. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Lifetime access with no recurring fees and 30-day money-back guarantee. If you have any confusion or question, you can ask me on comment. And if my video helps, then like and subscribe to my channel.